RJ Trades. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna talk about my Tesla strategy, what I'm doing. I just started today, so I'm gonna kind of go over exactly what my plan and what's I'm kind of doing. So the strategy is selling puts, and basically I'm trying to acquire let's say a one free Tesla a week, right? So that's my goal. Is it can be a little bit up and down, but I think that's definitely doable, and I'm gonna kind of go over everything and what I'm doing. So let's get started, right? So Tesla charts, if you look, I was kind of Finwich at the nice chart. So I was kind of looking into, if you look at this, the horizontal line, right? Tesla support is basically Tesla found its base is around 550. I think that's probably the lowest we'll see Tesla for now. Maybe yeah, if you ever sell off, but seems like a good support, right? So after the top of almost $900, it went to 550 when everybody was kind of dead, but it kind of backed up and went up to 790 again, and kind of it tested that twice, almost three times, I would say, like a little bit above, but kind of tested quite there, right? So I can say like 550, right? 550, 560, that's a good price for Tesla. So right now Tesla is of course 685. Today Tesla had a little bit off from the expectation for delivery number, but I think they're still good, like 200,000, 205 or something. So they are on track to their annual number of 750. I think they will easily do 800, maybe 900 if kind of they get the momentum. And they had to shut down their factory in the first quarter for I think new model refresh. So hopefully they will do pretty well, and also Giga Austin, Giga Berlin, they are all coming along. So I think, yeah, Tesla will probably do pretty good numbers. So, okay, so charts, right? So basically chart looks good, and basically we are looking at 550, 560 is good price, right? Around 600, right? Of course the price right now is 685. It was almost 700 today. So my strategy, again, you would need a little bit of capital if you don't have, but if you have a good money, I think it's a pretty decent play where you can make almost you know 700-800 to $1,000 in a weekly basis. I think that's pretty good, right? So I'm selling puts. I'm gonna explain what is selling puts and what happens and what are the drawbacks and whatnot, right? So let's look into what's the price, right? So price is 686 right now. So selling puts, is basically, it's exactly same like how you buy calls or buy puts, right? If you are buying it, somebody is selling it, basically they are collecting the premium. So here our goal is collecting the premium. You might be assigned, right? Then we can do rollover and whatnot. I'm gonna go over that, right? So let's look at what's the price. So today is, I'm not doing weekly, right? Today is gone. So I did like July 9th, right? So if you, whatever platform you go, you can see that this is just the Robinhood, just easier. I'm not even doing it in Robinhood, I'm doing it Webull right now. But see, so all you're doing is sell put, right? Whatever platform you are, you can do that, sell puts, right? So you choose your expiration date July 9th, right? So now Tesla is 683. I don't want to do that. Again, if you really want to acquire share, you can do that, probably get a good credit. But I'm just saying, my goal is if Tesla just kind of be flat and close around, I would want Tesla to close around literally like 660 or even 655. Even 650, that's fine too. I can do covered calls, right? So that's what I'm wanting, but it doesn't mean Tesla gonna do. It may go down or it may go up, right? There's a lot of uncertainty and whatnot. So here I sold around $800, which is one Tesla, which is about 700, so $100 extra. But my goal is to get one Tesla stock a week, right? If I can do that for a year, I almost have like 52 Tesla stocks, right? That's what, 35 something thousand. That's pretty good at this price. Again, the price will always fluctuate. But I sold for $8, so it went. I sold exactly. So what did you sell puts? You select your expirations and you choose, right? I'm choosing 650 because I think if I do 650, my cost basis, if I get assigned, my cost will be 640, which is pretty decent. And my plan is, if I get assigned, then I will sell call for a 650 or something, right? Then I will get more money. That's what my plan is. I already sold, and let's see how that goes, and I'll keep updating this one. So yeah, if you get lucky, if you can do that, you will get 7 something. I got around $8. I did write it open. Yeah, I write it open and it did execute. I think I got $800 credit, and right now it's at 733. It went as high as 920 and low as 440. So it depends what time you get in. But Tesla, if you I usually try to pick 650 or 700. Those usually have good volume, so your bid ask is pretty good, and you'll get filled pretty good, right? So that's good volume, open interest, and IV is pretty high, so that's good. So Theta is one which is really good for you. Basically, if the Tesla remains fat, you make $100 in a day, right? So a lot of times you can actually close before 2, right? Let's say Tesla goes like um, let's say 700, and you are already 50 or 60%, you can close it out, maybe wait for a pullback or something, right? So you can actually do that too. So hopefully it will be successful. So what are your drawbacks, right? If let's say Tesla goes up, right? Let's say Tesla goes to 750. Well, I collected my 700 $800, which is pretty good, right? $800 in a week. I'm not gonna complain that. And see if it's like if you think it's a reasonable price, you can do that. If not, maybe move into something else, right? But let's say if it goes downhill, like if it goes down, let's say Tesla goes to what, $600, right? Then you will be assigned 100 shares at 650. So you will be buying 100 shares at $650, right? But you already got 700-800 credits, so your cost base is around $42-43, right? 643 $643. So you are losing about 4,000, but the goal is, again, that time you can again do, even if it's 10 20, you can sell 650 covered call, right? Then you can sell the covered call and you make money because you have 100 stock as a collateral. So usually if it's go 30-40 bucks, let's say 680, right? If you sell call for July 9th, let's see what's the price is, right? If we sell 700, you'll make about $1,000, right? So for those 20-30 bucks up or down, you'll make about 1,000. Again, it depends upon the IP and whatnot. So there's a lot of way you can make money. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, comment below what you guys think, and if you would like to, or maybe if you are doing it, or if there's any other stocks you think where it's good to do. It's actually called wheeling, where you sell puts. If you are assigned, you sell call, and just kind of do repeat, right? I usually like to do if the price range is kind of reasonable and kind of going up reasonable. It's really good if it's like the range bound, and if you want, right? A lot of times if you are assigned, and you can sell calls and kind of get gains as your stock as well as premium too. So it all depends on the market and whatnot, but you gotta be careful, kind of look at the overall market. Yeah, that's video today. If you have any question or comment below. Other than, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.